When it comes to selecting a door for your home in Clinton Township, durability isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. From freezing winters to stormy springs, Michigan's climate demands tough, resilient doors that won't warp, crack, or lose efficiency over time. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, or long-term reliability, choosing the right door material is crucial. Here's a closer look at the best options to consider. Steel. Maximum security with minimal maintenance. Steel doors are a top choice for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. These doors are incredibly strong, resistant to warping, and virtually maintenance-free. They also offer excellent insulation when filled with high-density foam, making them ideal for keeping energy bills low during Clinton Township's chilly winters. Benefits: extremely durable and impact-resistant, excellent insulation with energy-efficient cores, resists cracking, warping, and shrinking, low-maintenance surface that's easy to clean, best for front entry doors, garage entry doors, or anywhere security and insulation are critical. Fiberglass. The perfect blend of strength and style. If you want a door that mimics the elegance of wood without the upkeep, fiberglass is your go-to. These doors are dent-resistant, energy-efficient, and won't rot or rust, perfect for Michigan's humid summers and snowy winters. Fiberglass doors are available in a wide range of textures, colors, and finishes, including options that resemble natural wood grain. Benefits: high resistance to harsh weather conditions, great energy efficiency and insulation, and customizable appearance with wood-like finishes. It requires little to no maintenance. It's best for main entrances and back doors where appearance and performance both matter. Wood. Classic beauty with natural warmth. There's nothing quite like the timeless charm of a solid wood door. Though it requires more maintenance than steel or fiberglass, many Clinton Township homeowners love the warmth and upscale look wood provides. Oak, mahogany, cherry, and pine are popular choices, each offering unique grain patterns and rich tones. Benefits: natural beauty and traditional appeal. Easily customizable with stains, paints, or carving. The solid core adds insulation and soundproofing. Drawbacks: requires regular sealing or painting. Susceptible to moisture, rot, and pests if not maintained. Best for homeowners committed to upkeep who want high-end curb appeal. Aluminum. Lightweight and modern aluminum doors are an excellent option for contemporary homes or homeowners looking for a sleek, corrosion-resistant solution. While not as commonly used for front entries, they're ideal for storm doors, patio entrances, and side doors. Benefits: rust-resistant and lightweight, low maintenance. It's great for custom designs and modern architecture. Drawbacks: less impact-resistant than steel or wood. Limited insulation unless paired with a thermal break. Best for secondary doors or stylish, modern entryways. Composite. Engineered for extreme conditions, composite doors are made from a mixture of materials, such as wood fiber, PVC, and insulation foam. They are engineered to withstand extreme temperature changes, making them ideal for homes in Clinton Township where seasons shift dramatically. Benefits: highly durable and weather-resistant, resists warping, cracking, and swelling. Excellent insulation and soundproofing. Mimics wood without the hassle. Best for homeowners looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance alternative to wood. Choosing what's best for your home. When selecting a durable door material for your Clinton Township home, consider climate resistance. Will it hold up to snow, wind, and rain? Security needs. How well can it protect your home? Maintenance willingness. Are you okay with occasional refinishing, or do you want a set it and forget it option? Budget. Some materials, like solid wood, are more expensive upfront and in maintenance. By focusing on the unique needs of your home and lifestyle, you'll find the right door that offers long-term value, comfort, and peace of mind, season after season.